Hey, welcome to the channel. My name's Dan. You're watching DIY for Life. So we're working on these IKEA Godmorgon cabinets that we built about 10 years ago. They've held up very well. It's also an IKEA top sink. It's a Grow faucet. It's all in fairly good shape still, but the alignment between the doors somehow has been thrown off recently, particularly here. It's too far forward and it no longer closes without touching. So there are some adjustments. Hopefully we can get this all sorted out. If you still have your paper instructions, you can check the last page or look online for a PDF version. Here you can see the 3 adjustments. I found it's easier to remove the cabinets entirely, so pull back on the pin here. Lift the front off from the slider, and now you can see the 3 adjustments more clearly. That's the pin that you have to slide in order to remove the cabinet. So here's the front vertical adjustment. This is the rear adjustment. You can tip the drawer forward a little bit. And this is the horizontal adjustment for the front panel. Loosen the screw and then use a 4mm Allen head. Check your adjustments and fine tune. So there you have it. We've adjusted the drawers. It took a little fiddling. Definitely need to use all 3 of those adjustments to get everything kind of flush and lined up and get all the shut lines relatively even. By no means perfect, but certainly good enough and better than it was before. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Please give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.